Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to learn multiplying numbers with zeros. Multiplication with zeros is a special case and we are going to see in detail about it in class 5. We know that multiplication is one of the mathematical operations on numbers. Let us go into the details of this video now. First, 222 into 100. How will you do this multiplication? We have to multiply 222 into 1 and then add 2 zeros to the right side end of the number. So you will get the answer to be 22,200. Next, 131 into 200. What will we do? First multiply 131 into 2. 131 into 2 will give you 262. Now add 2 zeros to the end of the number and you will get the answer to be 26,200. Let us take the next example of 2,456 into 1,000. For this, you'll have to multiply 2,456 into 1, which will give you 2,456. And you'll have to add 3 zeros to the end of the number because we're going to multiply it by 1,000. So the answer that you will get will be 24,56,000. The next example that we are going to see is 312 into 3,000. So what will you do? First multiply 312 into 3. What is the answer you get? 936. Now to multiply it by 3,000 means we will have to add 3 zeros to the end of the number, which will give you the answer 9,36,000. We have seen the concept of multiplication by 100, 200, 300, 1,000, 2,000 in your class 4. I have dealt with that in a separate video. Link to that video is given below in the description box and also in the iCard section. In class 5, we are going to see something new. We are going to multiply 180 into 200. What is the difference here? You have 0 in both the numbers. So how are we going to do this? Now, first multiply the numbers that we have. So, in 180 into 200, first multiply 18 into 2. What is 18 into 2? 18 into 2 is 36. Now, add the number of zeros together in both the numbers. We have 3 zeros. So, add 3 zeros to the end of the number and you will get the answer to be 36,000. Hope you have understood what you are doing here. Let us do more examples to understand this better. 250 into 300. So first multiply the numbers. In 250 into 300, the numbers are 25 into 3. What is 25 into 3? 25 into 3 is 75. And the number of zeros together in both the numbers is 3 zeros. So add 3 zeros to the end of the number and you will get the answer to be 75,000. Next, 6,200 into 600. So here we have 4 zeros together in both the numbers. Before that, first multiply 62 into 6. What is 62 into 6? It will give you 372. Now add 4 zeros to the end of the number, which will give you the answer for the multiplication of 6,200 into 600. What is the answer of the product? 37,20,000. See how quick and easy is this? Let us do more examples now. 312 into 3,000. So what do we have to do here? First multiply 312 into 3. What is 312 into 3? You will get 936. Add 3 zeros to the end of the number, which will give you the product 9,36,000. Okay, the next example that we are going to see is we have a 4-digit number to be multiplied by a 3-digit number. The difference here is this 3-digit number has a 0. So let us see how we are going to do this multiplication. As usual, begin the multiplication from the ones place. 4 into 2 is 8. So put 8 in the ones place. Next, 4 into 2 is 8. And then now put the 8 in the tens place. Next, 4 into 5 is 20. So 0 in the hundreds place and 2 as a carryover to the thousands place. Next, 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 in the thousands place and 1 will move to the next place value 10,000. Let us remove all these calculations to avoid confusion. The next number that we have to multiply is by 0. We know that when you multiply any number by 0, you get the answer to be 0. So what we have to do now, 0 is in the tens place. So now in the ones place, you have to add a 0 as usual. Then multiply all the remaining numbers by 0. 0 into 2 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 0 into 5 is 0, and then 0 into 2 is 0. Next move on to 4, which is in the hundreds place. So add zeros in the ones place and tens place. Now begin the multiplication of the number by 4, or which is actually 400 because 4 is in the hundreds place. Now 4 into 2 is 8. So add 8 in the hundreds place. Next 4 into 2 is 8 again. Put a 8 in the thousands place. Next 4 into 5 is 20. 0 in the 10,000s place and 2 will be as a carryover. Next, you'll have to multiply 4 into 2, which is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 will be in the lakhs place and the 1 will move to the 10 lakhs place. Now remove all the calculations. Next step what we have to do is add all the three products. So begin the addition from the ones place. 8 plus 0 will give you 8. 8 plus 0 will give you 8. 0 plus 0 plus 8 will give you 8. And then 0 plus 0 plus 8 will give you 8. And then in the 10,000s place is the same. You will get 1 because it's 1 plus 0 plus 0. In lakhs and 10 lakhs place, you can take and write down the number just like that. So what is the answer? 10,18,888. Okay, let us see something different here. We are seeing that we are adding zeros completely in the second step when you're multiplying the number by 0. Actually, we can avoid this step and do the calculation. Let us see how we are going to do that now. Write down the same numbers, 2,522 into 404. Begin the multiplication from the ones place. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 5s are 20, 0, carry over 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 and 1 will move to the 10,000s place. We can totally skip the next step where you're going to multiply by 0 because the entire step we are going to add only zeros. So we can avoid that step and move on to the multiplication by the next number which is there in the hundreds place, which is nothing but 4, which is there in the hundreds place. So first add zeros in the ones place and tens place and begin multiplication by 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 5s are 20. 0 carry over 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 in the lakhs place and 1 in the 10 lakhs place. And now add the two numbers. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 and 1 in the lakh and 10 lakhs place can be taken and written down just like that. So the answer will be 10,18,888. Dear viewers, hope you have understood what we have to do when we have a 0 in the number to be multiplied. Let us do more sums like this to understand this concept better. We have 7,561, which is a 4-digit number, to be multiplied by 309. We have a 0 in between. So first begin multiplication from the ones place. 9 ones are 9. 9 6 are 54. 4 carry over 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 5 50. 0 carry over 5. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 5 is 68. 8 carry over 6. It is not actually carry over. You'll have to move the 6 to the 10,000s place here now. And then we can remove all these calculations. To multiply by 0 means you'll have to put 0 in all the numbers. Or as I told you, I'll show you how you can avoid this and totally move on to multiplication by 300. I'm showing you both the methods. So in this first method, I'm multiplying by zeros and putting the zeros and showing you. Now move on to multiplication by 300. So put 0 in the ones place and tens place. Begin multiplication by the number 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 6 are 18. 8 carry over 1. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 6 carry over 1. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So 2 in the lakhs place and another 2 in the 10 lakhs place. Now we'll have to add all these three products. So in ones place you will get 9. In tens place you will get 4. In the hundreds place you will get 3. In thousands place it is 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 carry over 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. And 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 carry over 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And in 10 lakhs place just take and write down the number 2. So what is the answer? 23,36,349. So as per the method I taught you now, let us quickly do the sum again. 9 into 1 is 9. 9 6 are 54. 4 carry over 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 5 50. 0 carry over 5. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 5 68. 8 and the 6 is moved on to the 10,000s place. The next step you can skip the multiplication by 0 and directly move on to multiplication by 300. So in the ones and tens place you'll have to add zeros. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 8 carry over 1, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 6 carry over 1, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1 is 28, 2 in the lakhs place and 2 in the 10 lakhs place. Now add both these numbers. 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 3, 3. 8 plus 8, 16. 6 carry over 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 carry over 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 2 in the 10 lakhs place can be taken and written down just like that. So the answer is the same. 23,36,349. Let us do another type of sum which involves zeros. 4030 multiplied by 604. Here the difference is there are zeros in both the numbers. So let us begin the multiplication as usual from the ones place. 4 into 0 is 0. 4 into 3 is 12. 2 carry over 1. 4 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 into 4 is 16. So 6 in the thousands place and 1 will move to the 10,000s place. The difference here is when you multiply by 0, you get 0 and whatever carryover number is there, you're just going to add that carryover number and put it in the answer. So next we'll move on to the next place which is the tens place where you have a 0. As we saw in the previous examples, we can ignore the step or we can skip the step which involves multiplication by 0. But just when you're moving to the hundreds place, remember to add zeros in the ones place and tens place. Now begin multiplication by 6. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 3 is 18. 8 carry over 1. 6 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Next 6 into 4 is 24. So 4 in the lakhs place and 2 in the 10 lakhs place. Now you'll have to add both these products. Begin the addition from the ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 carry over 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And then in the lakhs place and 10 lakhs place, you can take and write down the numbers just like that. So what is the answer? 24,34,120. Let us do one more example. Here this number involves zeros in both the numbers. So begin the addition from the ones place. 9 nines are 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. Next 9 into 0 is 0. 9 into 9 is 81. So 1 will be there in the thousands place and 8 will be written in the 10,000s place. The next step can be ignored because it is multiplication by 0 which is there in the tens place. Now move on to the hundreds place where you have 5. So remember to put zeros in the ones place and tens place. Now begin the multiplication by 5 which is nothing but 500 as it is in the hundreds place. 5 nines are 45. 5 carry over 4. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 zeros are 0 and then 5 nines are 45. So 5 in the lakhs place and 4 in the 10 lakhs place. Now add both these products. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 8 plus 0 is 8. And then in the lakhs and 10 lakhs place, take and write down the numbers just like that. And so you get the answer to be 45 lakh 85,581. Hope you have understood how to multiply when you have zeros in the numbers. Dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 5 under the topic multiplication for the children, of which I have covered the first topic 4-digit by 2-digit number multiplication. The second topic has also been covered in a separate video 4-digit by 3-digit number multiplication. In this video, we saw multiplying numbers with zeros. In my upcoming videos, we will be dealing with story sums, mental math and worksheet for class 5 multiplication. Each of these topics will be dealt in separate videos. Links to all the related videos will be given below in the description box for your quick and easy access. You may also click on the in-screen video which will take you to the playlist containing all the videos for class 5 multiplication. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video with the next topic on multiplication. If you like the quality of my content, give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. See you again.